Ito ang tinatawag na ruweda! Come in. So dito rin yung breeding. As you can see, may mga manok. Those are pullets. So, may mga cages sila. Yan. Tapos, makikita mo may mga itlog sa loob ng cage. Good morning, everybody! This is Miss Andrea Del Rosario, and today, I'm gonna tour you dito sa aming somehow second home here in Calatagan, Batangas. As a matter of fact, dito po kami na lockdown ng ECQ. This is Anthony's home, a guy that I'm seeing. So as you can see, pag na-tour namin kayo, marami kayong makikitang mga gamit na pang-polo. You will see, you know, a lot of trophies, a lot of mga memorabilias ng pang-polo. Yes. Look, we also have polo mallets around the house. Yes, this is a 6-bedroom house na sinishare within their family. And naging home na rin namin ni Beatrice. So we're gonna show you around the property in a while. I hope you enjoy the tour. Come on, let's look at the rest of the house. This house was designed by Anthony's mom, who's an interior designer. And if I'm not mistaken, the house is parang may pagka-Spanish style ang design niya. Good morning! Oh, hi daw kayo. Bedrooms doon, as you can see, and then we have the view of the rueda. Come in. Okay, kaso may construction. Sayang. It would have been nice kung nakita ninyo yung house. Various classroom. Pag nag-online schooling. There is the doggy. Oh.
It was so revolting. When we got
revolting?
Yeah.
Wow. Did you even check what it means, revolting?
Yes, I know what revolting means.
Okay. Ako hindi ko alam yung revolting.
I saw a piece of paper on the floor. We weren't able to see it. There was too much blood from it. After I cleaned it, I saw that there was a phone on it.
Kailangan maggawa ka ng paragraphs because it's so hard to read it na isang chunk na ganyan. Kailangan parang one paragraph and then
because out na sila dito eh.
But i-portion by portion mo para madaling basahin.
Ito.
You can see, ito na yung the rest of the property. Sa paglalakad natin, makikita natin yung mga alaga namin dito sa farm. May mga kambing kami called Boer goats. And then, actually ginagawa namin ng kulungan ngayon. And then, meron kaming mga breeding ng mga manok. Makikita nyo rin yan. Kung saan sila nakakulong. Yung mga pullets, kung saan sila nakakulong. Tapos yung mga roosters. And then, mamimit ninyo rin si Anthony. He will be able to explain to you kung anong ginagawa namin dito sa farm, paano mag-breeding, paano kami mag-breeding pati rin ng mga kambing. So, let's go guys! I'll show you the rest of the farm. Okay guys, pupunta tayo sa Rueda. Doon nagsisparring yung mga chickens. Anyway, dito rin kami ni Bea pumupunta nung na-lockdown kasi doon siya nag-online schooling. So, can you imagine, nilalakad namin to, dala ko yung pagkain niya, baon niya for the day. Hanggang doon na kami for the rest of the day. So, I'll show you kung gaano siya kalayo. So, yan ang tinatawag na buhay probinsya. Ito ang tinatawag na Rueda! So guys, ito yung isang room dito sa Rueda na gusto namin gawing hangout place pag nandito kami. Parang gagawin na rin naming family room. Come in. So dito rin yung breeding. As you can see, may mga manok. Those are pullets. So, may mga cages sila. Yan. Tapos, makikita mo may mga itlog sa loob ng cage. So, this is the room. Nothing much to see. But, we plan to paint yung wall, lagyan ng mural. And in the next few episodes, you're gonna see yung transition ng room na to. We're gonna decorate it with Beatrice. It's gonna be our family project in the next few. Okay guys, welcome to the breeding pen. So, self-explanatory. Ito yung breeding section. So, kami. Ayan, makikita nyo, may babae kasama yung lalaki. So, in the next few days, ayun, may mga itlog ka makikita sa loob. Alam nyo, nung lockdown, yan ang trabaho ni Bea. Minsan kukuha rin siya ng itlog dito sa loob. So, dito na galing yung aming breakfast. There's a girl with a lot of girls with this rooster is called a Bennett Gray. Ogino! O, yan siya. So, meron akong a few chickens na binibreed. And this is one of them. Bennett Gray. Kelso.
And Roundhead from Ray Alexander.
Roundhead from Ray Alexander. Oy, hindi ko kabisado, pero alright. Alam ko, they're this pretty. Hindi po ako nagsasabong, pero I just like breeding them. So guys, this is the first day of breeding my Bennett Gray to a Kelso hen. So makikita nyo kung the whole process. Come on inside! See? Ayan na siya. Nagbe-breeding na sila. Magkakaroon na tayo ng Bennett Gray Kelso babies in the next few days. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng aming mga viewers. Sana marami kayong aral na napulot. Nakita nyo ang mga benefits, advantages, and yung practicality of living in a farm. So guys, ano pang iniintay nyo? Balik probinsya na!